Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn an audio file into a QR code. You can use this QR code in Cricut Design Space to add a personal touch to all your DIY projects. Okay, so first you're going to want to download this app on your phone or iPad. It's called Voice Recorder. Go ahead and open it up and hit the microphone button at the bottom, and it should pull up this screen. You hit the red to record and the stop button to end your recording, and then you're just gonna save that when you're done. And you can add any name that you would like, and it should pull up this when you're done. Here's my recording sample. You're gonna hit the share, and you can share it as a MP3 or MP4. I'm gonna do MP3. I'm going to airdrop it to my computer. Then you're going to log on to your Google Drive and hit the new button. You're going to select File Upload and find your auto recording file. Then you're going to open it. Open it up. And you can download it. And go ahead and open it and make sure that it's the correct file and that you are satisfied with the audio quality. Next, you're going to refresh. And go ahead and select it. Go ahead and hit share and get the link. Copy the link. Make sure it says anyone with the link can view. Once you do that, hit the done button. Now open a new browser and search for the QR code generator. And it's this one right here. Then you're going to select URL and paste your link. Hit shorten link. And there is your QR code. If you hit options, you can customize it and change the size of it, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is and hit the save button. And go ahead and enter a file name. I'm using YouTube sample. And you can save it as a PNG or SVG to use with Cricut, but I'm going to do PNG and hit save. Now once that is downloaded, you're going to save that. I'm just going to drag it to my desktop. Now I'm going to open up Cricut Design Space and hit upload. I'm going to upload the image, hit browse, or you can just drop the file. Now you're going to hit simple and hit continue. And what you're going to want to do is remove all the white background. and you can zoom in to make it easier. And just make sure that you remove all the white space. Once that is complete, go ahead and hit continue. And you're going to save it as a cut image. And hit save. And there's your image. Select it. And here it is, ready for you to cut. But before you do that, you're going to resize it to the size that you would like. And go ahead and insert a square. This is going to be used on the back of our QR code. So make sure that your QR code will fit on top of it. And I'm going to go ahead and make it white to make it easier to see. And when you cut this out, you're going to want it to be white as well. Okay, and here it is, ready to be cut. Now hit continue and prepare your mats. I'm using black vinyl and a scrap piece of white vinyl. Okay, my machine is connected. And you can cut this on fast mode if you would like, but I'm just going to do regular mode. And that's basically it. You're just going to go ahead and cut out your image. And once it is cut, you will weed it. Be careful not to lose any of the small pieces. When I did this, I lost a few pieces, but luckily it still worked. But just try to do your best not to lose any pieces. And once that is complete, you can add this to any of your projects to add a personal touch. I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and check out my other videos for more crafting. Bye guys. Thank you.